Hello everyone, welcome to Toyeen Talks. To all our beautiful subscribers, we say thank you so much for staying with us. And you are new here, we are happy you find us. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will be notified for more upcoming videos. In the comment section, please no derogatory comments. Thank you all for watching. Till I will see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you all. Bye.
Òkúdá kí ọmọ ṣàìdá torí pé mo support mi ìsìn kí máa lọ kọ lẹ́tà sí embassy. I can't do that now. I can't do that. She went too far. She went too far. One is saying you're playing to be a nice person. Ẹni tẹ́lẹ̀ ń já gbogbo ẹ̀ fún kò rán yín. Ẹ máa yára yín ní brain. Ẹni tẹ́lẹ̀ ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ fún kò rán yín. Owó tó fẹ́ make lára yín ló fẹ́ make. Too far. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. It's not what I can be discussing. It's not what I can be saying. Kò dáná ẹ dẹ̀ ọmọ kékeré lọmọ yìí. Ẹ̀yin 55 ọmọdé 25 30 years lẹ́fi jù lọ. Kí ló dé? Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́yin gan mú tọ́ tó ráwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ń sọ lẹ́ni ẹ ti mọ̀ wọ́n ti pẹ́. But thank God pé ọmọ yẹn ò ṣubú fún yín. Tó bá kó ṣubú fún yín gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ń sọ lẹ́ni ẹ ní sọ jáde. Inú yín máa dùn ní tẹ́ máa lùlù tẹ́ máa gbàjó. Thank God pé kò ṣubú. Téèyàn bá ti wà, téèyàn bá ti ṣubú, àwọn tá máa ń gbógun ti yàn, even no family wọ́n máa gbógun ti ẹ. Tọmọdé bá sọ tí wọ́n bá sọ pé tó bá ní àwọn ṣépè fún bí kan mo ní ṣe àwọn tó ń ṣe níta yẹn, báwo ló ṣe mọ̀ pé wọ́n máa ṣe, tó máa ṣe níta tó máa ṣe nínú ilé ńkọ́. Jẹ́ anybody, àwọn family yàn gan ò mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣe fún yàn. Àwọn kan tẹ́lẹ̀ sì ń ṣe yẹn, àwọn family ẹ̀mí ń ṣe, wọ́n kàn ṣe tí wọ́n sí public ni. Ló ṣe mọ̀. Àwọn family ẹ̀mí tó ń bẹ sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n lè máa ṣe nǹkan tẹ́lẹ̀ sì yẹn ṣe gogogogo. But ò ní mọ̀ torí they won't come to the public to say it. So tí yàn bá ń bára àtàjà tó bá rí pé yàn bẹ́ẹ̀ jà physically rò ó pé ẹni yẹn tí ò bá jáde physically nǹkan. Tó yẹ pé behind the door ló ti ń ṣe nǹkan tó ń ṣe fún ẹ. Wàá ṣe máa bá fẹ́yìn wàá máa bá dẹ́rẹ́rìn. Even ìtẹ́gbọ́n ẹ̀ ń ṣe yẹn ó ń ṣe publicly tó bá yẹ pé kò ṣe é kọ́. Tí justice for Mohbad yóò bá wáyé ó ṣeéṣe kó má lè mọ̀ kó má mọ̀ pé ó lè ṣe irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn fún ẹ. You might not even know she can go that far. Láti bá ti ẹ jẹ́. Me expect anything ní irú ọwọ́ yẹn. Kò sí nǹkan tí yàn fẹ́ respect, tí yàn fẹ́ expect, me expect less. But Madam Mary's stranger ni wọ́n nínú story. Stranger ni wọ́n. Kò make sense rárá. Mo kékeré lọmọ yẹn náà. Ẹni pé tó bá ná ọmọ kékeré married woman ni. But ọmọdé ni. Because ọmọ tí yẹn bá ti bí lọ́mọ. Ọmọ kékeré ni lọ́dọ̀ tẹ̀yàn. Kẹjẹ́ 70 years lọ́dọ̀ ọmọ màmá tó bí yín, ọmọ kékeré lè ṣe máa jẹ́ lójú ẹ̀. Please, let us learn from everything. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí a máa fi ìgbóná ara ṣe gbogbo nǹkan. Bí mi ṣe wà tí máa bá yàn jà máa walk away. Ó dẹ̀ ní mọ̀ nǹkan tó wà nù mí. Kí ṣe gbogbo nǹkan lèèyàn máa ń sọ síta. Kọ́ báyìí ló ṣe nǹkan báyìí. Kí ẹ máa sáré jà, tẹ́ bá máa parí ìjà yẹn ni ẹ ti máa pick àwọn kankan nínú nǹkan tó ń sọ. Àwọn míì báyìí tó máa bẹ ìjà báyìí wọ́n máa sọ gbogbo àṣírí tó wà nínú wọn síta. Doesn't make sense. Ẹlòmíì máa bá yàn jà báyìí gbogbo àṣírí tó wà láàrin yín wọ́n máa sọ ni. Wish you can just walk away. Èmi máa walk away. Mi tiẹ̀ kí n tètè kó o ṣe nǹkan tí mi like fún mi, I walk away. Mo lè má béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. I might not even ask you. Tí ló bá ń bí yàn gbà mí ó lè sọ̀rọ̀ kó make sense, ó máa ṣe mistake. I told her this morning, we talk. We spoke at length. Mo ní kì í ṣe gbogbo èèyàn ló mọ ọjọ́ rò. Thank God you are able to see this. Thank God you can appreciate me today. Does go make sense? Ẹ wo bí UK ṣe ń ṣe ń gbà ẹ́. Ẹ wo bí UK ṣe máa ń ṣe ń gbà ẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ nípa ayé máa parẹ́. Bọ́ ní ìsìn òun dà, ó ti tọ̀nà. Tó bá ṣe update àṣànà gan sí nǹkan fẹ́ comment mọ́. Nobody want to comment because they are tired of this nonsense every day. Let's get. Tó bá ṣe update kan sí àṣànà ṣe kíní kan, people just ignore her because at the end of the day, they are not achieving anything. They've not been able to achieve anything. Àwọn èèyàn tó yẹ kí n bú, ẹ rí pé mi sọ̀rọ̀ sáwọn mi, àwọn mi dáhùn. Ẹ lè rí mi kí wọ́n ṣe show, fine boy come over, I don't have time. Kíní kan aláàtì ẹ nìyẹn. Kíní kan no. Because kò ní túmọ̀. Kò ní túmọ̀. So àwa rí lẹ́ni. Àwa small but mighty. Nígbà tí gbogbo ẹ̀ ń gbóná. And 90 báyìí náà lọ. 100, 90. Wọ́n tẹ̀ máa ń bú àwọn ní 90 viewer. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni 90 àwọn èèyàn lè sùn. Àwọn yìí, àwọn ọmọládé lè mi. Gbogbo yín tẹ̀ wá ń bí ọmọlá. Bí a ṣe jẹ́ 90 viewer Pinky Pius. Àwọn èèyàn kí lè sùn. Bá ṣe jẹ́ 90 yẹn, à ń dá àwọn ní 1,002 fún 1,005 láàmú. Bí a ṣe jẹ́ 90. Àbí kìí ṣe kan tó máa pè wá nìyẹn. Àwọn ní 90 viewers, àwọn ìyá Aládélé William. A ní ìdààmú, à ń dà wọ́n láàmú ṣe wọ́n lè sùn. Agbógun ti àwọn ní 1,500 views. Because a jẹ́ kí wọ́n gbádùn. Because òótọ́ wa, àpò lóòótọ́, but òtítọ́ tá à ń sọ, ó knock wọ́n down pẹ̀lú gbogbo bí èrò ṣe pọ̀ ńbẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, àwọn Aládélé mi. You know that time now, very hot. Hey, boy. Àgbé sójú àwa sunkún o, àwa sunkún o. Àwa sunkún. Àbá wọn pò ni. But thank God àwa rí lẹ́ni. À ń sùn tó bá bọ́ sórí bẹ́ẹ̀dì wá sùn à ń sùn. Kò sí pé èmi gan messages ó reduce kò sí Tọ́lá ní kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ kí ló tún dé orí. Kò sí yẹn mọ́. A ti wà relax. Àwòrán à ń rẹ́rìn. Àbá tí wòrán sìn kí ló kù àbí káwa náà get origin bí 4 bottles. Ká máa wòrán, ká máa rẹ́rìn mi. Ọlọ́run. Wọ́n láwọn ní 90 viewers. Wọ́n ní 90 viewers, ó máa ga o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́dẹ̀ gbogbo nǹkan tá dẹ̀ sọ lọ́dẹ̀ rí. Gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ́ máa ṣe update fún. Gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tá sọ lórí 90 yìí, gbogbo ẹ̀ ni gbogbo èèyàn ṣe update fún. Gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ jà gbádùn 90 dẹ̀ níwá èmi kọ́ ń bèèrè àwọn wo ni àwọn ọmọládé lè rí yìí àwọn ìjàkùmọ̀ ni ó wà ń bí báyìí àwọn 90 yẹn ìjàkùmọ̀ ni wọ́n kí la àwọn náà ni we can laugh everything inú wa dùn kò sí wàhálà ṣé kò yẹ káwọn people yìí kan ti beat our hands down wọn ò rí kankan ṣe kan ọkàn ojú kan ló wà ojú kan mọ nǹkan tó tẹ̀ wá ń ṣe ń sìn tó bá wà níbi tó ti ń ṣe ṣù me I'm tired now I can't even walk around me they call me Iya Mohbad in my workplace and people has been laughing at me they have this Joseph this justice for Mohbad has make me a laughing stock in my street my mental health is not our mental health wàhálà ó sound kù ní problem gbà mọ̀ pé nígbà tí mo kọ́kọ́ shop date láàárọ̀ wàhálà ó sì wà lé kò tí kúrò lé àṣẹ díẹ̀ ni ó ṣe kọ́kọ́ we no do we no get repetitive disorder abi o kí ló kàn wá kí ló kàn wá bá ṣe mẹ́nu wa yìí tá bá rí information bẹ́ẹ̀ wá sọ yọ kan bá ṣe ń ṣe lélẹ̀ wọ́n fẹ́ bú wa pa o ṣùgbọ́n àgbà àbí ọ̀rẹ́ daft daft very a sadist lẹ́yìn oní 1,000 2,000 wà lówó yìí gbà yẹn 3,000 ló máa ń wò wọ́n gbà yẹn o ọmọ máa fi kú mi Ashana come over here Ashana come over here tó bá yẹ pé mi ni mo sọ tó bá yẹ pé mi supporter yín máa ti sá lọ Ashana come over here wọ́n wá feel on top of the world pé àní tí mi ò bá pa ẹ̀mí ní fiẹ́lẹ̀ àní tí mi ò bá lọ́la àní Ashana tó o bá kú báyìí mi ní jáwọ́ tó ti kú ó kú tì lájà ó ti rẹ̀yìn náà ẹ̀yẹ wá ṣe ṣókè gbá Ashana àwọn èèyàn kọ́kọ́ rí ti ń rò Ashana. Yesterday I heard the UK saying she said, oh God, I don't want to be coming on live chats. You see me, I didn't come on live chat for the clinic for the past how many weeks now, how many clinic. The reason why I don't like coming on live chat is because people don't share my video. Because I can't be making sure and people are not sharing it. Money really? Nígbà yẹn tó máa ń share 800 shares, 1,000 shares, gbogbo ẹ̀. Odo fake irọ́. Ẹ rántí gbogbo gbà yẹn. Wùnmí ló mọ̀ yẹn o, nọ́ọ̀sì ló wọlé yẹn o, nọ́ọ̀sì ló múlẹ̀. Ẹ máa gbọ́. You say you are the true sayer. Ẹ máa wo comment báyìí. Ọlọ́run. Àwa ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ṣe show tí 4,000 wò yìí lórí live kan ẹyọ kan yẹn. Tó ń wò yẹn on live stand by. Ẹ máa sọ pé ọ̀rẹ́ daft very ugly girl sadist nulẹ̀ adúró tó wà yẹn ibẹ̀ ló máa ń tọ̀ sí tó máa yàgbẹ́ sí nulẹ̀ adúró yẹn ọmọ 10 bàbá 15 wà ẹ̀rí wà wò dáhùn torí pé bí táwa ń lọ là ń face pé níbo ọmọládé lèmi don't fọ má fọ ọkọ òkè láyé wá is it not by number we are just bunch wọ́n fẹ́ flag page wa kú wọ́n fẹ́ flag page wa pa up to today flag yìí ni every day ní Facebook mama ní your video call will come down your family will come down and stop at gba bo fẹ́ bá jẹ́ yan márùn lówó wa it's not by number they just want to say agbe wọn gbóná tí má ti worry life tí mo ti rí Ọládélé mi báyìí tí mo tún bojú ẹ̀ tí mo rí ya ọmọlá àjọgbọ̀n anybody wo tí mo tún ta nìyẹn ìyá Williams nìyẹn ẹ̀yin tí gbogbo yín Ọlọ́run ẹ ti ṣe jù Pinky Pius gbogbo yín pátápátá bóyá sí gbogbo yín Ọlọ́run. It was very hot then but we are able to achieve everything we want for good 10 months. It's going to be 11 months in few days. Wọ́n ṣe show Ashana every day. Kí wọ́n ṣe show Ashana every day. Fún bí oṣù mẹ́wàá láti September. Ashana every day. Ojoojúmọ́. Tó bá ti wọlé báyìí 4,000 ti débẹ̀, 3,000 ti débẹ̀. Ẹ ló pé bí bó ṣe show yẹn tán, ọmọ yẹn lọ kú ni. Ẹ ló bí bóyá bó ṣe parí show yẹn tán báyìí. Kẹ́gbọ́ àwọn èèyàn mo máa pè tó wá ní kí ni ẹ mọ nǹkan tí mo wá ṣe ẹ mọ nǹkan tí mo ṣe mo wá jẹ́ kó máa wo show yẹn àjọ máa wò báyìí ṣé ti get ẹ mọ nǹkan tí mo wá ṣe aláì gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ ńbẹ̀ Ashana èmi náà máa wá pè lórúkọ tó ń pè yẹn tí n bá ti pè bẹ́ẹ̀ Cherry tó bá wá ń sọ wọn kìíní yẹn báyìí àṣà ẹ bá sọ pé omi Ashana mo ní ó ti yáwọ́ àkọ́jọ́ máa fi rẹ́rìn àwọn dẹ̀ ń ṣe wàhálà àwọn akọ́ máa rẹ́rìn náà máa wò báyìí Mummy stop flagging Stop flagging. Oh, flag show me. Wunmi, stop calling my show. Stop calling my number. And in Nibo. Every day. For the fact pé rí nǹkan achieve yẹn. Tó bá pé mi ni follower yín àbí fan ma unfollow yín. Kí support yín fóṣù mẹ́wàá. Kí kó má gain koko, kó má achieve anything. Láti bí 10 months kí ni kó tá béèrè gogo tó get. Kò sí. Àṣàlà. Ṣé kò yẹ kó gbọ́mọ wá fún mi ni? Èmi ni bàbá ọmọ. Mo fẹ́ mọ iye ọmọ tó mọ mi bí. There's no point of asking for DNA. There's no point. You are not the right person to ask for DNA from Wunmi. I am still saying it. You are not the right person. Láti béèrè DNA lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Ẹ fẹ́ fọwọ́ ọlá gbá lójú ni. Ó fẹ́ fi media. Ó fẹ́ fi gbá lójú. Ọmọ kékeré ni. As in ọmọ Wunmi. Tí ẹ ti ń gbá síbí. Tí ẹ ti ń throw ẹ síbi tó wùn yín láti joy. Òun àti Mohbad. Yeah? You want to use the same tactics. Pé okay, ọmọ yẹn under fit mi ló wà tipẹ́tipẹ́. Eléyìí wá jọ yín lójú. I saw you today. You couldn't even talk. You were just looking like this, like Momo. Say, so? Ẹ wá sọ pé okay, mo fẹ́ mọ̀ bí èmi ni right kíní kan. Mo fẹ́ mọ̀ bí ọmọ mi ni. Mo fẹ́ mọ̀ bí I want to know if it's my grandson. You can't. Once Wunmi cannot take you to court, láti wá máa ṣe ẹ̀tọ́ lórí ọmọ yẹn. You don't have right to take Wunmi to court on that boy. Wunmi ò ní right. I'm just telling you the difference between you and Mohbad right now and the father. The grandfather, you are not the nuclear family. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo fẹ́ ka comment kan ni. Ẹ má bínú. Tó bá jẹ́ wí pé bí ọmọ Wunmi ṣe wà yẹn, ọmọ Wunmi cannot take Josie to court. Pé Josie ò look after ọmọ. Kí lorúkọ owó tó máa ń gbà fáwọn ọmọ yẹn náà? Child kí ló máa ń pè náà? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kí lorúkọ táwọn parents tó máa ń gbéra wọn lọ court fún yẹn? Ẹ̀yà mi please, kí lorúkọ kíní tó máa ń gbé wọn lọ, àwọn ìyàwó obìnrin máa ń gbọ́kọ lọ court fún owó ọmọ, owó oúnjẹ ọmọ yẹn, kí ló máa ń pè? Child support. Thank you. Ṣé Olúwa lọ́pẹ́. Ọmọ Wunmi ò lè gbé Josie lọ sí court fún child support ṣé mọ̀. Because kò ṣe bàbẹ́. So why is it Josie ní láti gbé lọ fún court? Okay, tí wọ́n bá ṣe DNA tó bá wá ní Mohbad ló lọ́mọ, ṣé fẹ́ máa bọ́ ni? Ṣé fẹ́ wá sọ pé iye báyìí fẹ́ máa san fún ni? What is the essence of want to know? I just want to know if I am the grandfather. So what is the essence of being a grandfather? Kí ló fẹ́ jẹ́ grandfather fún? Because you cannot even support that boy. Lè sanwó school ọmọ, you are not wúlò. Wúlò, ṣe kankan. What is the essence of asking for the DNA when you are not going to do anything to support them? Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, child maintenance, àbí child support, bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Ọmọ Wunmi cannot take Josie to court and say, Baba, since my husband passed away, Baba has not been paying my child support. Baba is not the right person to pay because he's not the father. But Mohbad, can take Wunmi to court for DNA. Wunmi can take Mohbad to court for child support. Nobody can sue you. Wunmi cannot sue you for not looking after the baby. Because you're not the father. Then why? What is the DNA for? So if you get to know, and like you said, so if they now do the DNA and that boy happened to be Mohbad's son, what are you going to do? How are you going to tell us? Tell me now. How are you going to tell us? So if they do the DNA and that boy happened not to be your son's child, are you still not going to tell us? If they now do the DNA, that boy happened not to be Mohbad's son. Let's assume the boy is not Mohbad's son now. So, are you going to do the DNA for the old men? Because you still have to find out. Abi? So báwo ni ẹni tó pọmọ tó ṣe jọmọ DNA ọmọ ṣé wọ́n ní Liam gan abẹ́rẹ́ ni báwo ni Liam ṣe jọmọ ikú tó pa bàbá ẹ̀. It's ridiculous because you just want to bully them because you think you have some people on social media, some devils on social media to support your nonsense. So like when Wunmi wà nínú oyún Liam tó kú ọ̀la kó bímọ tí Mohbad kú, would they put your name on the birth certificate for Wunmi? Will you be the one to register ọmọ ni? Wunmi nìkan ló máa register ọmọ yẹn because ọmọ yẹn fatherless ni. Because only baba omi pé kò fatherless. So you want to get the DNA of the child you have gone on social media to denounce. The boy you came on social media that you are not the ọmọ àlè ni. Don't you know? Oh, understand nǹkan tó sọ ni. The boy you have come on social media, lórí gbogbo platforms to denounce him pé ọmọ àlè ni kò ń ṣọmọ ọkọ. Then what is your problem with him? Why did you want to know the paternity of ọmọ àlè? You've already know ọmọ àlè ni. Then forget it, take it like that. Abi? The boy you have come on social media, láti wá denounce, láti wá disgrace, láti wá embarrassed, láti wá bully. Pé kí n ṣọmọ Aloba. De báwo ló ṣẹṣẹlẹ̀ tí òun wá, òun kọjá àyè ẹnìyẹn náà. Ẹni yìí òun ṣe ọmọ wa. Then why do I have to go out? Pé mo fẹ́ ní kó ṣe DNA fún wa nígbà tó mọ̀ pé kò ṣọmọ ẹ̀. Ó ní pé láti ẹni lọ, henceforth, people should stop calling Wunmi Aloba. Pé kò ṣe bí ẹ̀. Then what is your problem? Do you even know where they live? So what is your problem? You're a stranger as far as I'm concerned. You're a stranger, you're too nosy. You're a busybody. Do you know where they live? No. Láti ìgbà tí Mohbad ti kú, do you know bó ṣe ń jẹun? No. Ṣé o mọ̀ bí sí Liam ń gbé? No. So what is your problem? You're a stranger to them. Èèyàn tó mọ̀ bí tó ń gbé, ó ní kó wá ṣe DNA fún ẹ. Èèyàn tí ó mọ̀ bó ṣe ń sùn bó ṣe ń jẹ, ó ní kó wá ṣe DNA ọmọ tó wà nínú yàrá ẹ̀ fún ẹ. Ọmọ tó wà nínú yàrá ẹ̀. Babe so unique. Good evening. Ọmọ tó wà nínú yàrá ẹ̀ tó ń gbé, tó dánìkan ń gbé, tó ń gbé lọ, tó ń gbé bọ̀. Tí kò sólùrànlọ́wọ́ láti ẹbí, kò sólùrànlọ́wọ́ kankan nílé Aloba tó ń fọmọdé ní 1 naira o. Kò sólùrànlọ́wọ́ kankan ní family yín o. Ìwọ wá sọ pé kó wá ṣe DNA ọmọ tó ń dá ṣe yẹn, ọmọ tó ń dá gbé, tó ti gbà kámú pé fatherless lọmọ yẹn, tó ń dá ṣe wàhálà lé lórí. Ó ní kó wá ṣe DNA kó mú fún wọ. Who the hell are you? Who are you? For God's sake. Tell me, báwo ló ṣe jẹ́? Àbí wọ́n ṣàbí relationship wa àtẹni yẹn. Bàbá tó bá ní ọmọ gan, tó bá lóun fẹ́ ṣe DNA, reasons máa ń wà. Mo fẹ́ ṣe DNA, mo fẹ́ look after ọmọ mi. mo fẹ́ máa tọ́jú ọmọ mi, mo fẹ́ máa sanwó school ọmọ mi, fẹ́ gbọ́ bùkátà ọmọ mi, mo fẹ́ wà nínú life ọmọ mi. Who are you? Do you want to come on social media to come and beg for money to send Liam to school? O fẹ́ wá sórí social media kó tó fún Liam lóúnjẹ. Ọmọ kékeré ọmọ oṣù 5. O béèrè up to today. O lè sọ pé bí báyìí ni wọ́n gborí sí ton so bóyá be bridge ni, you don't even know. So how is DNA your problem? Báwo ló ṣe kàn ẹ́? Báwo ló ṣe ń pín tó ṣe kàn ẹ́? Àbí àwọn tó ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ wọn kì í sọ fún yín ni pé kí ni problem wà tọmọ ẹ̀? Ìwọ ọmọ tó ti bọ́ síta tó ti sọ pé wọ́n kọ́ ló bí o, ọmọ àlè ni ó kẹtàn o, kó kẹtàn wọn dẹ̀ kẹtàn lé yín o, kíní kan wọn ṣe kíní kan lé yín o, orí ọba lórí o, ó ní ibi tó lọ o, wọ́n sọ pé adé wà lórí ẹ̀ o, wọn dẹ̀ ń jọba lé títí yín o, dẹ̀ fọmọ adé lẹ̀ fọmọ aládé. Fi adé sílẹ̀ fẹ́ni tó gbádé sórí. Why are you being nosy? You have done too much. You have done too much. Fún èèyàn kan láti wá ṣe nǹkan tó fẹ́ fún ẹ. You have done too much. Number one, I see people saying, why? Ṣó ti yẹ kí Wunmi tẹ́ máa béèrè court order in the first place? Ṣé jòsí gbogbo ẹ̀yin obìnrin tẹ́ ń wò mí? Ṣé bí àwọn bàbá ọkọ tí yín ṣe ń treat yín nìyẹn? Ṣé ìjọ kan wà tí jòsí pé Wunmi ọmọ Wunmi pé ọmọ Wunmi jókòó? Àwọn nǹkan báyìí máa ni mò ń gbọ́. Even tó bá pè nínú ilé gan, it's a slap. Kò make sense not to talk of kò sọ ní public. Tó bá pè mí nínú ilé fún nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Tó bá pè mí jókòó sínú yàrá láti sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ fún mi. Ó ní jẹ́ tán ká bá sọ pé public. Because I will see myself as nothing. You ridicule me without any proof. If my husband tó bá pè mí tó kọ mi tí mo bí àwọn ọmọ mi fún bá pè mí jókòó tó sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ fún mi, that will be the end of our relationship. Kò sí ìfọ̀fẹ́ mọ́. Gbogbo tó kù ìgbóná la máa fi ṣe. Because I will not love it. I will not like it. I will not appreciate it. You never called your daughter-in-law sínú family. You only came on social media in the name of using the public, the social media, power of social media, láti bully. Because this is what you have been doing to them, to her and the husband when the husband was alive. When the husband was alive, ẹ máa gbé girlfriend ẹ níyàwó sínú ilé ẹ tún máa gbé àwọn girlfriend lọ sí ìyàwó ọmọ yín in the name of ilé ọmọ mi ni mo wà, ilé ọmọ mi ni mo wà. Me care because you don't have respect for the wife. You don't even have respect for your son for doing that. You have a woman at home. You didn't go to their house with your own wife. You went to their house with different girls. And this is the lady tó tún máa sóúnjẹ tó máa bọ́ sí kitchen tó máa dáná fáwọn girls yẹn. Tí ò yọ igi tì yín, tí ò gomi, tí ò lọ plug omi, tí ò yọ igi tì yín, tí ò yọ belt tì yín. Ẹ ti wá jẹ́ kí kíní yẹn dùn mọ́ yín. And you think everything you want, you can get it. Life is not like that. Life is not like that. Ẹlòmíì tó bá ti ń wò ẹ́ nígbà mi tó ń ṣoríṣiríṣi fún tí ò take action, kò ṣe kó ó ya wèrè. Tí èèyàn bá like èèyàn gbà mí ó máa ń jẹ́ kí èèyàn gbàgbàkúgbà. Ẹ rí bóbìnrin ṣe máa ń ṣe tó máa love tó máa wà in love. Jẹ́ kí love ká lójú wọn wá rí bó ṣe máa ya wèrè á dúró tiẹ̀ lọ́rùn. You did so much. And you went behind. You went to the lawyer. You requested for DNA from the lawyer, not from your daughter-in-law. You went legal from the start. Ẹni tó fẹ́ béèrè nǹkan lọ́wọ́ mi tí ò béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi tó jẹ́ pé court ló gbé mi lọ. Ìjà ló fẹ́ jà. And I will fight you. Especially when I'm on my right. I will fight you. Kò sí èèyàn tí ò lè jà. Àwọn èèyàn máa ń tọwọ́ ọmọ wọn bọ aṣọ because of this and that. You went to the lawyer pé òun wá DNA. They now gave you conditions. Up to today, you cannot meet up with the condition. And you think you want to get the DNA. It's not going to work. It's not. Even if you meet up with the condition, she's still going to tell you she don't want to do it. We want to see what you can do. How you can get it. Pẹ̀lú force. We want to see how you can enforce it. Because you don't have respect. You're so rude. You're very rude and annoying. You don't care about other people. You only care about yourself. You don't care about how people feel. You care about you. It's all about you. First of all, you were asking for the placenta. Are you for real? Who are you, Gongon? Those people that are following you around, can't they tell you your position in that family? And you look at yourself, you say, Mini Baba, and so what? Who cares? As if Baba Lebi or Kawola Baba Konle. Who cares? On be the placenta. Placenta, when anybody to ba wunyo ni on gbe fun. To ba wun mi mo le gbe fun daddy mi. Tí ó bá dé wùn mí mo lè ṣe nǹkan mi bó ṣe wùn mí. It is not your own placenta. Ṣé wo gbé placenta ti tẹ́ gbé fún àwọn ẹbí ẹni? Placenta àwọn ọmọ tẹ́yin bí àwọn ọmọ mẹ́wàá mẹ́ẹ̀dógún tẹ́ bí yẹn. Ṣé gbé fún àwọn family titi yín ni? You like to do what you want by yourself and you don't want other people to do what they want. You want to enjoy yourself. You don't want others to enjoy themselves. You think it's all about you. The same thing you have done on social media. And when your people are able to see through you. The money they are contributing for you. You don't care about people that are contributing it. You believe it is your right. Please share this video for me, please. Press the share button. You believe it is your right. You are fighting over placenta. Chico, oh, can she ya, oh, can she baba. You're not even the father of the child. You're not the mother of the child. You're fighting for the placenta. As if they don't have right to do what they like. As a couple. Isn't that too much? You went to Arise the other time. Abati was telling you, where the placenta, oh, ni right the placenta. Baba Omolo ni right the placenta. Not even you. You went there, you look stupid. What ti rí pé ó ní respect. And the man asked you a question. And he said, if they do the DNA and the boy happened to be your grandson, what will you do? You said, but they did not marry legally. Only they did not marry legally. You paid the dowry, right? Didn't you pay dowry on her? You did. And you said they did not marry legally. You now keep telling your people, my introduction not change the Oba change the environmental si wedding. Who cares? Nígbà tó gbaṣọ ó ní wọ́n wọṣọ sí ẹ lọ́rùn ó mọ bó ṣe débẹ̀. Who cares? Ogun náà lò fún ẹ. You call yourself a pastor. That means pé pastor iná tí ò ní pastor tí ò lẹ́mìí Ọlọ́run kankan ní ẹnìyẹn. You said they turn introduction to engagement. Abi, how do you say it? They turn introduction ọkọ wọṣọ sí ẹ lọ́rùn. Why didn't you leave? Because of what you want to eat. Because of the money. You went there. They turned introduction to wedding. And you sat there eating, toasting our young girls. Our young girls then toasting kiri. Only thing about fẹ́ báyọ̀ jà kó wẹ́ tó fẹ́ bájà. Torí ẹni tí wọ́n fẹ́ bájà ò ní mọ̀ nǹkan tó ní against her. So you think you can fight her? You can tojú ẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀. Do you know what she has against you? You don't even know. Let's go there. Ojú abo lọ. Wọ́n turn introduction sí wedding and you went to take DJ. Ó gbé DJ lọ bẹ̀ ó ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀. Ẹ san dowry. Lọ́mọ tó mọ̀ pé wọ́n bá sùn kiri. Nǹkan tó máa jẹ yìí náà ni. Ọmọ yìí wọ́n bá sùn kiri. Ó dẹ̀ lọ tan dowry. Nǹkan tó fẹ́ jẹ ló fẹ́ pa ẹ́. Who cares? So you requested for the DNA. What's up, Momo Mini? In the history of Nigeria, it has never happened before. In the history of Nigeria, law won't be. It has never happened. Oh, ti really keep baba omo wa be DNA omo to she marriage for. They told you. They told you. To first suppress ọmọ yẹn. Power of social media. Wọ́n pariwo gay, wọ́n parọ́. Wọ́n pè mí lágo kan, wọ́n pè mí lágo mẹ́wàá òru. Ìgbà tọ́mọ mi kú, mo fún ọmọ mi, mo fún ọlọ́mọ mi láyè. Mo ṣe kinní kan, mo ṣe kinní kan, mo ṣe kinní kan. Àwọn tó dẹ̀ ń tẹ̀lé yín náà, wọ́n mọ̀ wípé bó ṣe láwọn wá justice tó. You shouldn't be the head of justice because you are part of the problem. At the end of the day, everything might change tomorrow, might turn to you. It might turn against you. They might even say you are the one. We don't even know. The investigation the police is doing, àwọn nǹkan tó máa já sí. Pẹ̀lú gbogbo nǹkan tó wà nílẹ̀, pẹ̀lú àwọn tó ń fún yín lówó tẹ́ ń gbà, pẹ̀lú àwọn tó sọ pé ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ lọ síyàn tipátipá. How do we even know if you're not the number one suspect? And you are the one that said you want to look for justice for fools, for àwọn tó ń tẹ̀lé àwọn graduates, àwọn PhD holders. Àwọn PhD holders, àwọn master's degree holders tí wọ́n jókòó títí ẹ̀. Tí wọ́n sọ pé ìwọ ni kò wá máa head àwọn wá máa sọ pé wọ́n máa ní Baba Lawda is the head of justice for Mohbad. How can you be head of justice for Mohbad? So if you have something to do with that boy, so won't you be covering yourself? You'll be covering yourself now. Because tí wọ́n bá ti wà tó bá ti ní hatred nínú mind ẹ̀, you'll be taking wrong decisions. Tell ọlọ́pàá bá ṣe investigation lọ́la, how do you know pé o conspire pẹ̀lú àwọn tó pa wọn? How do we even know? Everybody is a suspect. Àwọn tó ní wọ́n gún lábẹ́rẹ́ wọ́n ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀yẹn tó bá dárúkọ lọ́la ńkọ́. Àwọn tó dẹ̀ náà wọ́n wá justice. How do you make suspect àbí lára àwọn suspect àbí witness? How do you make them the head of justice for Mohbad? Because of what? Because of the hatred you have for Wunmi, you can't think well. It is not good. Bí mo ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ yìí, I don't have any hatred for Jose Aloba. I just don't like what he's doing. But the hatred you have for Wunmi, òun ló máa jẹ́ kẹ́ máa ṣépè láàárọ̀ lọ́sàn-án alẹ́. And this is, you have to learn from this. Now, tó tún mọ origin. Gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ Wunmi ló toast tán. Nǹkan tó ti ń sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ gan kò gbọ́. Títí tó lùkà fi dọ́wọ́ kò mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sòótọ́ náà. Táwọn kan bá kóra wọn jọ, àwọn wá justice fún yàn, a dẹ̀ nípa ọmọ kékeré tí olóògbé fi sílẹ̀ àfi kó kúkú gbọ̀run lọ. Ṣé àwọn tó ń tẹ̀lé yín yẹn ò béèrè pé that is the only child tí bọ̀bọ̀ yìí fi sílẹ̀? Kí ló dé tẹ́ fẹ́ kó kúrò ní? Kí ló tí ẹ fẹ́ kí bọ̀bọ̀ yìí ní kankan láyé lọ? Can't they ask you? You should be happy that that boy is there. But you're not happy with the only child, almost 5 months. Because you don't want Mohbad to leave anything behind. And everybody left justice for Mohbad. They concentrated on DNA for property. The DNA you're looking for is for property. You never look for justice for Mohbad. Never. I've said this many times. You are not looking for justice for Mohbad. You are looking for the property. I was speaking to you. Ni gbogbo àwọn people yóò tí mọ̀ yín ni èmi tí ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀. I know who I am talking about. I speak to you. I know you. I could read through you. I could see you that you're not looking for justice because everything you discuss with me, most of everything, just property. The same thing you did to that Iyabo now. You will not let them rest. When Mohbad was alive, the same thing you were doing to Baba Wunmi, calling Baba Wunmi in the morning, in the afternoon, because of land, property. Till that man blocked you off. And you like, oh, block me. He will block you because your problem is too much. He will. I don't understand the lejo wewe. If you have a man, don't rojo by. Be just a man rojo yen. Look at him on that Sunday. Last Sunday, I will be just a sorrow. That is him. That is real Joseph Aloba. He never wanted justice for Mohbad from Jokonri. He doesn't want any justice. He only want that property. And he was able to use those people brain. He was able to use them. Because all of them left the justice and started talking about DNA. And they cannot use their brain that if DNA is a motive, Joseph Aloba knows pé tóun ò bá sọ pé motive, they will not join me to support this. Let me just put it like that, that it's a motive. But you cannot think in your brain that if the DNA is a motive, the police will find out that, not you. Do you think if you do the DNA and they now say the boy, or if the boy happen not to be Mohbad's son, the police will now come and arrest me? They will not even involve. That is not your problem. That is not what they're looking for. They're looking for justice for Mohbad. They're looking for any talk about Mohbad. I won't offend DNA. I won't offend more. So do you guys think in your brain that wọ́n bá ṣe DNA tó bá ní pé ọmọ yìí o Mohbad kan ló bí o, so àwọn ọlọ́pàá wọ́n lọ arrest him? So the police is not the motive. DNA is a motive for property, not for the case. If DNA is the motive for the case, the police will do that without even telling you, without you being told. They will go to court, they will get the court order. The court will give them court order straight away. And they will do the DNA without telling you. And the DNA results will not be in public. So telling the whole world, it's a motive, it's a motive. Are you doing the job of the police? Are you the police officer investigating the case? So how come you know the motive? Are you a police officer? What do you know? When people were beating your son, bullying your son, you did not see any motive around that bullying. But you could see motive around the property. And some dumps put you on top of justice for Mohbad, saying they're looking for justice for Mohbad. How can you find justice for Mohbad when you were alive, people were bullying your son, you could not do anything to help your son when he was alive? So you want to help that son when it's no more? Okay. Ṣé Wunmi náà ni ó jẹ́ kí gbogbo yín rori dáadáa báyìí? Ṣé Wunmi ló kú gbogbo làákàyè yín lọ? Nǹkan tó ṣe dá kí ọmọ 8 nìyẹn o. Emotion. Kò sí education tó lè ní. No matter how educated you are, if you apply emotion to anything, you will not get it right. Because that emotion, cloud reasoning ní débi pé wàá máa ronú bí ọmọ primary school ni. Even the people now that are talking, the emotion is going. They've left the emotion behind. That is why they could see. The way your people advertise GoFundMe, won't advertise DNA, won't advertise autopsy be. Paul James, good evening. So now you'll be like, okay, DNA is a motive, DNA is a motive. So if you are able to get the motive, like if you take Wunmi to court now, if they now grant the DNA now that she should go and do the DNA, who are you going to give the result to? Police. Okay, Toma DNA, Toma ni bo nkan lo lomo. Who are you going to give the result to? Police. So police now will now tell Wunmi to go and do DNA. Pẹ̀lú gbogbo ara Lekki. Ṣebí transformer ni gbogbo bí tó bá gbé transformer lọ kó wọn wá kó máa ṣe DNA. Àwọn gbọ́dọ̀ men tó pa Mohbad àbí. So gbogbo ọkùnrin tó wà ní Lekki ló máa ṣe DNA fún nìyẹn. Kó tó men tó pa Mohbad. Can't you just ask yourself? They have experts investigating the case. You are carpenter looking for motive for experts. Báwo ló ṣe make sense? Where are you going to take your results to? To who? To who? Just because everything they are doing on social media, you don't care about it. You are not interested. All you are interested in is DNA. That is the only thing that is interesting. You are not interested in any other thing. If you look at the TV stations you have been to for interview, all the TV stations, Ibo mélòó lẹ ti sọ̀rọ̀ autopsy be. You only talk about Wunmi and DNA. When you go to this, you talk about Wunmi. There's no station you have been to that you didn't talk about Wunmi and DNA. You don't talk about autopsy. You don't talk about justice. All you go there to talk about is Wunmi. Wunmi and DNA. ọmọ yẹn ó ń pa pẹpẹ rọ kíní kan àlè ló pọkọ mi àlè ló pọmọ mi àlè ló pa Mohbad every time you said àlè ló pa Mohbad then bring the àlè now can't you mention the àlè kí ni kan tó ń ṣe láyé tó máa lè tó pọ ọmọ ẹ̀ tó lè sọ̀rọ̀ síta kí ló fẹ́ fàyè ṣe if you're truly a father and you know ẹni tó pọ ọmọ ẹ̀ you will speak up kò sí nǹkan tó fẹ́ fi ẹ́ ṣe mọ́ ọmọ tó lógo tó wà ní ilé tó ti kú kí ló tún kù 200 day tó fọ gbogbo ẹ̀ but it's all about the property you will talk I'm like ilẹ̀ kan wà o máa gbalẹ̀ yẹn o máa gbalẹ̀ yẹn by force by fire is that what you're supposed to be talking about? It did not even mention the bully. No. Gbogbo yẹn normal lójú ẹ̀. That is normal. Like all those things are normal. But the main thing is the property.